Hi, I'm Barry Fox with Camelback Toyota, and today I'll be demonstrating how to pair an iPhone to the 2019 Corolla. Once you get in the Corolla, you're going to want to push the phone button and you'll get a pop-up screen asking you if you want to pair a phone. On your iPhone, go to your settings and choose Bluetooth. Bluetooth should be turned on and select yes. The phone will automatically find the Corolla, and as soon as it pops up, just touch it. It'll ask you to confirm that you want to pair it. Then it'll ask you if you want to sync your contacts and favorites and select allow. Then you'll get a pop-up message saying you may need to operate your device to allow messaging access, and at that point you push the I button and that will take you into your notification screen, and you simply turn that on and you'll notice that that disappears. And that's all you have to do with the phone. And then it will take a few minutes. And while that's updating, you can see you have a dial pad. It'll give you your call history, and this is the call history that's on your phone, not the call history from the car. And there are all your contacts. These are your favorites. Now, while you're moving down the road, these contacts will gray out. However, you can select a contact and push Add Favorite. And when you come over to your favorites, these you can access while you're moving, and you can move as many people, as many of your contacts into favorites as you like, but these you can access on the touchscreen. You can also access any of your contacts with voice command.